Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I decided to do a Mask Monday. I am not quite aboard with the rest of the Mask Monday ladies because I just don't follow through a whole lot with schedules anymore. I mean, my life used to be a schedule, believe me. Now it's kind of just went to more relaxation, which is the way I like it. Do I like a piece of, yeah, okay. So anyway, actually, it was kind of weird. I was going to show you the mask that I put on. Okay. And I put it way over there. That's what was weird about it. So this is the Ultra Hydrating Birch Leaf Face Mask. I've used it before once a while ago, and I had this thing on here. And then I thought, you know, I'm going to try it again and see if the stuff inside is still good, because it's been quite a while, and it's still good. It smells good. It feels good. So this is the kind that you leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and then you do rinse off. Because I read it. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to rinse or just, you know, rub it in. But yes, you do rinse this off. Okay, so that is what I am using right now. The Ultra Hydrating Birch Leaf Face Mask. It's infused with birch leaf water. It's made by Quebella, Q-U-E-B-E-L, no. Yeah, B-E-L-L-A, Quebella. Okay. Anyway, so I am doing Mask Monday. I don't know. You guys all try to keep it up, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to show you just a little Dollar Tree haul that I did. And then we'll go from there. First, little toy I bought for Brooklyn. And, you know, I do have a bigger dog too. And I love her too. Don't get me wrong. But the bigger dog mostly just destroys toys, but Brooklyn loves to play with toys. So, you know, she has Bella is the bigger dog and Brooklyn's the smaller one. Bella has access to all of Brooklyn's toys. But, so if I say I bought this for Brooklyn, I mean both of them, okay? But here it is. It does squeak somewhere. There it goes. Oh, Brooklyn's right here. Come here, Brooklyn. Do you want it? Do you want it? Huh? There you go. Go get it. Okay. So I threw it over there. Brooklyn's going to play with it. Bella as well as playing with it. Interesting. So anyway, that is the first thing I got for $1.25. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you guys probably know that I do collect these little planters for no specific reason. My husband does not like them out showing because he says they're like cheap and junk and, you know, childish, and I get it. But maybe if I just put one out every now and then, maybe if I actually plant something in it. Here's the first one. So they have the collection on the box. So I got the robin bird, the robin over here. But I didn't get the other three. So when I went back to the Dollar Tree, they had the other three. So I got this one. Then I got the little seal. Brooklyn is looking for more toys in that bag. She thinks this is all for her. No, Brooke. So here is the seal. Here, very cute. I think these are cute. I can see how my husband wouldn't like these just like displayed around the house. I get it. But, you know, maybe one, it can plant a little something in it and see if it grows. It would be cute, I think. It wouldn't take up any space at all, and it would just be cute. Okay, and this is, hello, my name is Pepper. There's Pepper the penguin. Pepper the penguin, Brooklyn. Here's Pepper the penguin. So let me open up Pepper the penguin. One of these days, I probably should just bring them all out and show you, and it'll make not too long a video, but, you know, a good video, I think. Show you my collection of the ones I have. So here is the penguin. Very cute. And there is Brooklyn grabbing the seal box. Thank you very much, but no thanks. Okay, and then what else did I get? Blistex. My kids and I love chapsticks you know, anything. I love this stuff. We go through this like very fast. Not this particular brand. It is a good brand, but I saw this at the Dollar Tree and thought, why not? I bet it's just a small one. It looks like it might just be a small one. Let me see. No, Brooke. I don't have anything under my blanket, so she's like thinking all this is for her right now. Let's see. No, it's a normal size. It's a normal size Blistex, and it's supposed to be berry balm, so it's supposed to taste and smell like berries, maybe. Let me go ahead and put this down, and let's see. It smells good, so yes. Yes to the Blistex. What else did I get? Some gold toe socks. This is the only one that I saw. I only saw one, and it was just the pink ones. And I didn't have my reading glasses on at the time. In fact, I don't even have my contacts in. You guys are seeing me with brown eyes again. I love my blue contacts. But I had to actually take this to one of the workers and say, are these for women or little girls? Because I didn't want any for little girls. So I had her look, and they appear to be women's sizes and not little girl sizes. So let me go ahead and open these up. And so they're just like this. They're, you know, just basic sock. I got 3 of them for $1.25, which of course is a great deal. And I mean, Gold Toe is a great brand. And then I also found this, and this was the very last one. This is LA Colors Shimmer eyeliner, and it's a green color. Brooklyn just took something off my lap and then ran with it. Ugh. So here's this. It's called Jammin', I guess. Let me see. Oh, looks like my daughter just got home with a Dollar Tree haul too. You just went to the Dollar Tree, huh? Did you get anything fun? Yes. Or is it all snacks? She usually goes there and buys just a whole bunch of snacks. Okay, so let's see. I'm just trying to open this so we can see the actual color. Hopefully it's not like black in a green container, because that would be so sad, because I thought I was buying something green. So let's check it out. Yes, it is definitely green. Very pretty. So very happy I found this. And then I couldn't leave without a special pen. Don't know why. I haven't seen this one yet, so this one was new to me. I don't make it to the Dollar Tree very often, even though it is within walking distance. My daughter Nicole just walked there and back. So it's not that far from me, but I don't make it there very often. But this one, I don't know how long they've had it, but I had to get it. All right, so that was my little Dollar Tree haul. Now, I want to let you guys know that I do have 2 giveaways hidden in 2 videos. Right now as we speak, there are 2 giveaways. I'm going to be pulling for those giveaways shortly, either today or tomorrow, and get those mailed out sometime this week, hopefully. Sometimes it takes me a while to get to the post office. As those of you that won things from me before know, it's not immediate when you get your packages. It's usually a couple weeks later, and I apologize for that. But I usually make it to the post office maybe once or twice a month. So I'm going to be drawing the names. So if you want to get in on those videos, you got to go find them. Or those giveaways, you got to go find them. There's 2. One is for an eyeliner, and it is the liquid liner, and I think it has a stamp too, and I know I would never use it because I don't use liquid liner. I would make a mess. And then the other one, the other giveaway was just a few little things like stickers, and I forgot what else was in the giveaway. Just 3 items. Oh, and by the way, I do reserve the right to add to these giveaways if I want to put more stuff in the package if I want to. So, you know, if you want to get in on the giveaways and have not seen them, please go look for them in the videos I have. I'll be also doing another giveaway. I've got a video already recorded that I'm going to be putting up with a secret giveaway in there. So everyone, thank you for joining me on this special Mask Monday, which I don't know if I'm going to join them. I don't even know if I should hashtag Mask Monday Ladies because I'm officially not part of them. I'd like to be. I would. You know, I've been trying to get into some more collaborations. By the way, if you are a creator and would like to collab with me on something, let me know. I do not do Get Ready With Me. I do not put makeup on in my videos. And I usually do have makeup on in my videos though. But so I don't do that. I'm basically an unboxer. I do reviews of things as well. But, you know, mystery boxes, that's always fun. So if there's something that, you know, you want to collab with me, let me know. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I think it would be very helpful to join a collaboration where there's a bunch of us doing something. So keep me in your thoughts when you are doing a collab. Okay, I'd appreciate it. Everybody, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, please leave a comment down below and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a great, great day. Bye.